Before you wander off thinking, oh, these are just another pair of earphones, let me try and explain to you what makes these a little bit special and why you might want these rather than the pair you've already got or your Bluetooth pair. Why you might want these instead of them. So, this is going to be released on Kickstarter, and they are called the Nebula ST2 Pros, redefining high-res audio with USB-C DAC earphones. Yeah? Understand so far? Now, who are these for? Well, if you're a gamer, they have a zero latency, that is on the actual audio. There's zero latency, so perfect for gamers. If you're into high quality music, again, perfect because it has ESS saber DACs. Now, I'm not going to explain that, but I'll stick a little note up there for you to actually read it, so you've got a good understanding of what it actually does. It's perfect for people that like watching high quality movies with high quality audio because it's got built-in DAC with ESS. So perfect for people like that. Whether you're using a phone that has USB Type-C connection, tablet, PC, an audio equipment with USB Type-C connection, whether you're using any of them, it should be plug and play. No need to wait for it to be charged up, unlike Bluetooth where every now and again you have to plug it in to charge it up. These, you just plug them in and away you go. Now, on the actual website, it does actually say interface is compatible with over 99% of Type-C connections. So there may be just the odd one, for whatever reason, it might not actually work. Probably, I'm guessing here, probably based on really old types of USB Type-C connections, I'm guessing. It also has a HD microphone for seamless gaming, music and calls. So like I said, perfect for your mobile phone, perfect for your tablet, perfect for your PC and perfect for gamers and perfect for anyone who wants high quality audio. Right, with that out of the way, let's do the unboxing, shall we, and see how good these really are. And at the time of making this video, there's no price on them yet, so don't expect them to be cheap. These are, hopefully, top quality headphones with microphone. Let's get into the unboxing, shall we, and see exactly what you get for your money, honey. And don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell, get notified, and give me this video the thumbs up. Thank you very much. Let's do it. Right, let's get on with the unboxing then, shall we? So, it's a company called High-Fidelity. I'll take it that's the name of the company. ST2 Pro. Nebula SUB-C DAC Hi-Fi digital earphones. Let's see how good these actually look. Because I haven't actually seen them properly. I've seen pictures, but you really need to see them for yourself, really, don't you? Nice bit of packaging, by the way. Just thought I'd mention that. What's that say? High-Fidelity ST2 Pro Nebula SUB Hi-Fi digital earphones. How do I get her out? So an easy way of getting her out? No. Might want to make a little cut there so I can actually get them out. Just a thought, you know. Make it a little bit easier. Come on. You see what I mean? Gotcha. Ooh, it's different, isn't it? So I'll take it, lift that up. Oh, comes in a nice little bag. How's that work? I don't know. I don't want to break it or to break the packaging. I'll just take it out like that. Oh, they look really nice actually. They look quite flash. Can you see that? That's very nice. So you've got different covers to protect your ears, if you like. Now, I was going to say, and I've just noticed I don't have to say it now. I was going to say you can get an adapter to go from USB Type-C to USB. But they thought about it already. Well done. Good thinking, Batman. Quality control check. That's fine. There's something in this bag. So that should just pull apart like that. Oh, it seems to be stuck. Come on. Why is that stuck? What's going on here? Oh, it was stuck. It's stuck to the Velcro. Okay. Nice little bag. Nice little bag for putting all your bits in. So nice long lead with, it looks like volume control or something on it, maybe. Yeah, it's a nice long lead. I'll have a measure up in a minute, but I would say probably a metre at a guess. Oh, that's clever, isn't it? So I'm guessing, is there a left and a right on here? High dis. Can't see. I'm guessing we need these out. So you normally get 3 sets, don't you? You get small, medium and large. Sometimes you get 4, sometimes you get 2 large or 2 mediums. Small, large, mediums. Now, how do these go on? I'm taking it, you just push them on. Oh, I didn't see no, oh, I did. I'm going to say, oh, I didn't see no instructions, but there is some there. Is that going to go on there easily or not? Are we there? It's a little bit fiddly. That's it. Gotcha. Right, they're on. Now, I'm guessing, looking at that, and I might be totally wrong, I'm guessing that's the right one. And that feels really comfortable, so yeah, I would say that's the right. Now, I'm not sure which is left and which is right. Let's have a quick look. Is there any markings on there? Can't see any. There's a volume control there, or a mute button or something. Oh, and it's got a microphone on it, I just noticed that. So yeah, it's a microphone there. So I'm guessing this is for this one, at a guess. There's only one way of finding out. Plug her in. That's in. That's easy enough. And left ones. Hope I got that round the right way. What's this? Official communications platform. Heidi's. Oh no, it's just a card. Well, okay. So no instructions, or not for me anyway, that I can see. I'm going to check the packaging in a second. Just going to check this first. There's nothing in there, for sure. So I didn't get no instructions. It might be because they're new and you know they haven't finished doing the instructions yet. I'm guessing. So USB Type C. That will be perfect for testing it on my phone. Let's get that out. Plug that. Plug that in. Make sure it clicks. Set a time for try saying no, I don't want that, do I? Right, I'm going to get up some. YouTube videos. Actually, I'm going to get my YouTube videos up. I've got left and right. Yep. Let me unplug that. That works perfectly. Turn that around. See if that works like that as well. It should do. Oh, it's a light. Oh, pauses. That's good. So, unpause. What's double tap do? Right, 3 is for going back, 2 is for going forward. So 2 presses forward, again, back 1, forwards, Right, that works extremely well. So I've definitely got the left and the right round the right way. Question is, have I got them plugged in round the right way? Yeah, so I would say that goes, so the cable goes like that. That's how it feels. So that's how it feels to me anyway. It feels most comfortable like that. So yeah, yeah, definitely. Yeah. And then you go down here, find that button, press play, and it should, in theory, just play. Well, quality of the audio is excellent, very good, crystal clear on everything. You can't feel high in bass, you can't feel, really deep vibrating bass. You can feel it, but it doesn't feel like it's overwhelming, if that makes sense. You can just feel it and you can hear it. And trebles, very, very good. Love the trebles on it. Right, so we need to test it on other devices. Now, I am going to test it on a tablet, but I know it's going to work exactly like a phone. So I'll only do a quick test on that. But I also want to test it on my PC. I'm sure there will be people out there who are going to say, does it work on a PC? Well, it should do, in theory. I will try it out on, unplug that, USB Type-C connection, because I have one. I will also be using this USB Type-C to USB, just to see that it works, just in case there's someone out there who hasn't got USB Type-C connection on their actual PC. Now, I did notice there's a click there. So make sure you get the click, that way you know it's in there properly. Give me a second while I set it all up. Right, so now it's plugged into my PC using the USB adapter. Let's have a listen. It's the same video that I was playing on my phone, so I want to see if the bass sounds different from my PC to what it does on my phone. Well, I didn't expect that. It's a lot louder, that's for sure. Let me turn the volume down. Well, a couple of things I've noticed. One is you need to turn the volume down on your PC, that's for sure. 2, crystal clear audio, whether it be someone singing, bass, treble, anything, is clear audio. I had no distortion whatsoever. In fact, they're gorgeous. They look nice as well. The only thing I can't see is there a left and a right? I can't actually see them. And am I wearing them correctly? Let me double check. Yes, I am wearing them correctly. I've noticed on their pictures they have a woman with a pair on, and she has it exactly how I had it. So like that, with that going over there, and the same on there. Like that, and like that. Perfect. There's a couple of pictures actually showing you that. Now, I am using the converter. I'm going to unplug it from my computer. See, I was using that and it works extremely well. So no issue with that. Now I'm wondering if it will work with a USB converter to jack plug connection. It's an idea. Let me have a look, see if I can find one. I think I've got one, but I'm not 100% sure. Yes, it does work with a tablet, but you thought that anyway, didn't you? So we've tested it on a tablet, we've tested it on a phone, we've tested it on my computer. There's not really much I can test it on now anyway, and I did try and find my adapter for converting this to a jack plug connection, but I couldn't find it. So I couldn't do that check, unfortunately. But everything apart from that seems to be working fine. Very pleased with it so far. I have no issues. The only thing you might find is the volume control. Because there's no volume adjustment on here, and you have to use the actual device itself, say for instance the tablet, the phone, computer, you need to adjust the volume, because when I started playing it, I thought, Jesus, that is loud. That is extremely loud without any distortion whatsoever. And the clarity of the audio, whether it be just music, someone singing, someone talking, is excellent. Now, one thing I haven't tested, and that is a telephone conversation, which I'm going to do right now. Very comfortable on the ears as well, by the way. Right, phone up my wife. It's too loud. Hello? Can you hear me nice and clearly? Oh, good. I'm testing these headphones out. I have indeed, yes. Right, Zilla. Perfect. Yes, so with that, if you're thinking about buying something like these and you want high quality audio, these could be the best in the world. Hopefully. They sound extremely good to me. I'm not just saying that because they sent them to me. I'm saying it because they do actually sound extremely good. They're a nice small form factor and they fit in your ears very comfortably. Now, I had the large pads on, but there are two different sizes or three different sizes. You have large, medium, small. So hopefully they fit your ears. I don't know how much they are at the time of making this video because they haven't put the price up and they haven't released it at the time of making this video. So with that, as always, check out the links in the video description. There is a link in there for you to go and you can register for when they get released, and they will notify you on the release date or just before the release date with hopefully the price as well. So that would be handy. And look out for any discount codes that I might get for you in the video description as well. I'm not saying there will be, I'm just saying look out for any that might be in there. And that is the same for any of my videos. I will always try and get you some sort of discount if I can. So with that, if you like this video, you know what to do, give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing, clicking on the bell to get notified. It does help the channel to keep on growing if you can subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.